Welcome to the AI-powered e-commerce venture challenge. This 6-week capstone project guides students from a customer problem to a data-driven digital business. Teams of 4 to 6 will follow a build, test, analyze, decide, and pitch framework. This video covers our agenda: the core venture challenge, learning outcomes, the 6-week milestone plan, the philosophy of working with AI, deliverables, and assessment criteria. Every team must answer one core question. If you had 100 million Vietnamese dongs, how would you build your business, and what evidence proves it can succeed? Your output must be a proven venture, covering everything from the initial opportunity to the final pitch. Teams will produce 3 core deliverables: a comprehensive report of evidence, a persuasive pitch deck, and a final live pitch. Optional bonuses are available for building a functional MVP or startup story video. This project directly and strongly assesses 5 of your 6 learning outcomes. It is the primary vehicle for demonstrating your mastery of market analysis, design, AI application, decision-making, and professional teamwork. You will build 10 core competencies across 4 categories: business, digital and AI, analytical, and professional. Specifically, you will develop your ability to apply AI with critical thinking. Our AI philosophy is: AI proposes, students decide. Follow the 4-step loop. Let the model draft an option, verify the facts, challenge the assumptions, and finally, take ownership of the decision. Next, we will break down our 6-week plan. Each week focuses on one specific mission and deliverable, with every step building on the evidence gathered in previous weeks. Here is your timeline. From initial discovery in week 1 to the final defense in week 6, each milestone is designed to move your venture toward a successful pitch. Week 1 is about discovery. Your mission is to choose a problem and product and prove that the problem is real through primary evidence, such as interviews or surveys. In week 2, you will size the market, analyze your competitors, and design your revenue model. Use AI as a skeptic to challenge and refine your business model. Week 3 focuses on experience design. Map the full customer journey and build a functional, no-code store prototype to bring your vision to life. For week 4, you will create a digital marketing plan. Clearly define your funnel, your strategy, and specifically identify at least 3 AI use cases and the value they add. Finally, week 5 involves economics. Convert your plan into numbers and show how you would respond to potential market shocks. Your deliverable is a KPI model and a decision memo. Week 6 is your final pitch. You will present your venture to a panel of CEOs and investors. This live pitch and Q&A session serves to verify that your team has deeply engaged with the work, moving beyond simple AI prompts to truly master your business numbers. Throughout the project, maintain an AI usage disclosure. This document logs your significant AI-assisted tasks, the AI's suggestions, and your team's final decision. The most valuable entries highlight instances where you challenged and disagreed with the AI's initial proposal. Your project report is a comprehensive document consisting of 17 sections. It serves as the primary evidence of your research and analysis. Remember to place all raw notes, AI prompts, and original screenshots into the appendix for full transparency. The pitch deck, covering 15 slides, is distinct from the report. While the report provides your evidence and analysis, the deck is designed to tell your compelling story and communicate your final strategic decisions to the panel. We offer bonus opportunities for teams seeking to excel. You can earn additional credit by building a functional MVP, no programming required, or by producing a 3 to 5 minute team report video that narrates your e-commerce journey. Our 100-point grading rubric is weighted towards high-impact areas. Your business model, AI critical thinking, and unit economics carry the most weight. Bonus points for an MVP or a team video can also contribute to your final mark. To ensure fairness, 20% of your grade is individual, based on peer assessments and your performance in the live Q&A. We also introduced the Crisis Card, a 5-minute live challenge where teams must make immediate decisions when faced with unexpected market shocks. Academic integrity is non-negotiable. You must disclose all AI use, verify every claim and statistic, protect customer privacy, and ensure all cited sources are real. Any undisclosed heavy reliance on AI will be treated as dishonesty. By following the competency arc from discovery to final defense, you will build a professional portfolio. Your team will finish with a solid report, a polished pitch deck, and a functional MVP, effectively demonstrating your readiness for real-world venture challenges.